Are you looking for the professional best elliptical exercise machine? In this video we will show you the 6 best leg exerciser elliptical machine. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Let's dive in. Number 1. Under Desk Elliptical Machine. Electric Ellipse Leg Exerciser is seen on TV for seniors with 12 adjustable, quiet portable elliptical machine, seated pedal exerciser with remote control. Brand, Pubu. Material, alloy steel. 2-in-1 and auto or manual modes. Pubu Ellipse Leg Exercise has manual, 12-level speed, and auto mode, P1 P3, for your choice. Pedals can move forward or backward. Adjust the speed to achieve the results you need, including strengthening your legs, exercising your body, etc. Effectively exercise multiple muscle groups to help you achieve your fitness goals. Low impact and zero pressure under desk elliptical machine is ideal for sedentary office workers, seniors with leg discomfort, and individuals undergoing leg rehabilitation. Pubu elliptical exercise machine's scientific motion trajectory design helps stimulate blood circulation, strengthen lower body muscles, and enhance joint flexibility. Silent exercise and easy to move. Elliptical exercise machine features a silent wheel and advanced sound dampening technology, so it is working quietly without disturbing others, making it ideal for home and office use. Its compact design and portable features allow you to exercise anytime, anywhere. LCD display and remote control. Pubu portable under desk elliptical. With the LCD display, you can track speed, distance, counter, time and calories in real time. Pedal exerciser for seniors feature with thoughtful remote control allows you to change mode without bending over, reducing strain on your back. Due to logistics reasons, the remote control is not equipped with batteries, you need to buy it separately. Number 2. Under Desk Elliptical Exercise Machine. Ellipse Leg Exerciser is seen on TV with remote, 15 adjustable speed, portable leg exerciser while sitting for seniors, quiet elliptical machine for home office. Brand, Pubu. Material, alloy steel. 2-in-1 auto and manual modes. Pubu elliptical exercise machine offers a customizable workout experience with a 15-level manual mode and 3 preset auto modes, P1 P3. You can customize your workout intensity to match your fitness goals. The pedals move forward and backward, engaging different muscle groups for a full lower body workout. Low impact and zero pressure. This under desk elliptical is designed for smooth, effortless movement, promoting blood circulation, strengthening lower body muscles, and enhancing joint flexibility, all with minimal strain. Ideal for office workers, seniors, and individuals recovering from leg injuries, it offers a gentle yet effective way to stay active while seated. Whisper quiet and portable. Designed with advanced silent technology, this leg exerciser while sitting for seniors provides a smooth, whisper-quiet workout, even at high speeds, so you can exercise without disturbing co-workers, family, or sleeping babies. Its compact and portable design lets you stay active anytime, anywhere, whether at home or in the office. Number 3. Ellipse Leg Exerciser Electric. As seen on TV under desk elliptical with 12 adjustable, speed quiet and portable pedaler exerciser for seniors with remote control, leg exerciser while sitting for seniors. Brand, Freiline. Material, metal, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, ABS. Ellipse Leg Exerciser is seen on TV. Freiline under desk elliptical provides a joint-friendly, low-impact workout to improve mobility, increase circulation, strengthen leg muscles, lose weight, and more. Good news for health seekers, especially sedentary office workers and seniors. Note: do not use standing. Smooth, quiet and portable, this Ellipse Leg Exerciser Electric is seen on TV is equipped with Freiline patented motor, which lasts longer and ensures you a comfortable workout experience. Hidden handles make it easy to move. Remote control. Unlike another leg exerciser while sitting for seniors, our machine has no complicated programs. All you have to do is press the button on the remote control and start moving. Speed adjustment up to 12 speeds to meet any workout needs, as well as forward or backward pedaling. Elder-friendly, no assembly required, lightweight and easy storage. It can be easily moved from one room to another. This thoughtful design makes this elliptical exercise machine ideal for seniors and people with limited mobility. Low-intensity exercise can burn calories, improve cardiovascular health, and help the legs recover quickly. Number 4. Pubu Elliptical Machine. Elliptical exercise machine with 16-level resistance and hyper-quiet magnetic driving system. Elliptical machine for home with LCD monitor and 15.5 stride, 350 pounds weight capacity. Brand, Pubu. Material, alloy steel. Warm tips: the Pubu elliptical machine designed 80% pre-assembled. Say goodbye to the traditional complicated setup process. Guided by the manual or assembly video, you can easily finish it within 30 minutes. Besides, when not in use, it can be quickly and easily folded up. Light commercial appearance elliptical machine. The thickened steel pipe frame contributes outstanding stability and loading capacity of 350 pounds. The 15.5-inch stride simulates the natural movement path of human body and height fits up to 6 feet 5 inches. The transparent non-slip and rebound pedal cushion offers a smoother motion, feeling like spacewalk and reduce ankle and knee stress. D-shaped handrail structure, more like a commercial elliptical that's satisfying the needs of all-round workout experience. Multi-function exercise handle position, 3 hand grip positions, 3 exercise experience. The fixed low position on fixed handlebars, built-in pulse sensor for heart rate monitoring. This position used for low height, sitting back with your weight during exercise, give you a peachy hip. The D-shaped wide outer position does arm stretching exercise, suitable for users with high height and wider arm span. The D-shaped wide inner position, a comfortable handle position, exercise waist and back. Number 5. Nice Day Elliptical Machine. Elliptical exercise machine for home with hyper-quiet magnetic driving system. Elliptical trainer with 15.5 in 18 in stride, 16 resistance levels, 400 pounds loading capacity. Brand, Nice Day. Like commercial grade ellipticals, the precision-engineered magnetic system delivers an ultra-smooth elliptical exercise. The 15.5-inch natural stride minimizes knee stress, accommodates heights up to 6 feet 4 inches. The extreme comfort makes sticking to your workout routine a breeze. With every step, you'll be encouraged to stride even further. Ultra-silent magnetic drive. The internal magnetic drive system provides an exercise experience even quieter than breathing. Whether it's early morning or late at night, your workout will never disturb your neighbors or family's sleep, and it won't interfere with your enjoyment of music and TV shows. Built with gym quality, the 100 pounds mainframe provides secure support for users up to 400 pounds. The sturdy construction and premium materials are aimed at long-term durability, accompanying you on your journey to becoming a better version of yourself. 16 dynamic resistance levels. The magnetic drive system and 16 pounds flywheel ensure stable tension output. Whether you aim for cardio or weight loss, the 16 challenging resistance levels allow you to find the excellent exercise resistance for your needs. Gear up to embrace a more vibrant you. Record your progress. The digital monitor tracks 5 key data including time, speed, distance, calories, and pulse. Every step is in your mind. Effortless 10% assembly. The Nice Day elliptical machine comes 90% pre-assembled and includes all the necessary tools. Guided by a detailed user manual and installation video, you can complete the setup within just 20 minutes. Kickstart your elliptical workout with ease. Number 6. QBI-JR1 Under Desk Elliptical. Under Desk Bike Pedal Exerciser, Seated Elliptical, Work from Home Fitness, Mini Elliptical Machines for Home Use, QBI Exerciser for Seniors, Desk Exercise. Brand, QBI. Material, plastic, metal. Under Desk Elliptical QBI-JR1 Pedal Exerciser is the leading compact and ergonomic mini elliptical that lets you work out or rehab while you sit at home or the office. Work from home fitness. Now you can exercise while you work from home right at your desk. Burn calories, lose weight, and feel great with QBI elliptical machines for home use. Low impact, ultra smooth elliptical exercise machine. Move a little more each day to reach your wellness goals. Use this under desk elliptical, burn calories, improve mobility, and increase strength. Built-in LCD display fitness tracker. The digital monitor allows you to keep up with your progress by tracking calories burned, strides pedaled, distance traveled, and more. Use the QBI mobile app to manually enter stats for even more features. Leg Exerciser make this QBI elliptical the perfect fitness gift for a parent or grandparent. This compact elliptical machine is approachable for all ages to use. A great pedal exerciser for seniors, those rehabilitating, or those looking to burn extra calories. Use the QBI mobile app. Use the QBI mobile app to track your progress by manually entering the data from your LCD display. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.